Good morning everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment. In our previous segment student we have discussed about the keywords of chapter 6. Today we will discuss the remaining keywords of chapter 6 student. So the first keyword that we are going to discuss is fuel. What are the fuel student? Fuel are the substances that are used to release heat and light energy. We use the fuel to cook our food. We use the fuel to run our automobile transports. We use the fuels to get the electric energy like in the thermal power station. So there are the different uses of the fuel. And what we get from them student, we get heat and light energy from them. Next keyword is inflammable substances. Now what are the inflammable substances student? The substances that can catch fire easily, or the substances that have the lowest ignition temperature. And due to having the lowest ignition temperature, that can catch fire easily. And all the fossil fuels can be considered as inflammable substance like LPG, liquid petroleum gas, kerosene, petrol, diesel. They can be considered as inflammable substance. That's why in the transport, in the public transport, if a person loaded these substances, then that person may be punished by the government student. That's why because these substances can catch fire easily and from which the fire accident can take place. That's why in the train inflammable substances loading is banned student. Next is fuel efficiency. Now what is the fuel efficiency? It is the capacity of the fuel in which it releases heat and light energy. Means the capacity from which a fuel releases heat and light energy, that capacity is known as fuel efficiency. And fuel efficiency can be measured with the help of calorific value. Now what is calorific value student? Again I want to revise it. What is it? The calorific value is the amount of heat energy by 1 kg of fuel. And in general, the fuel that have the highest fuel efficiency, it is CNG student. If we compare it with LPG, petrol and diesel or kerosene, then highest fuel efficiency is found in the CNG. Next is ignition temperature. It is the lowest temperature student. The lowest temperature at which a particular substance catch fire. The lowest temperature at which a particular substance catch fire, that particular temperature is known as ignition temperature. And the lowest ignition temperature is found in the inflammable substances or fossil fuels. Due to having the lowest ignition temperature, these substances can catch fire easily. Next is global warming. Global warming is the one effect student, and this effect takes place due to the air pollution. In nowadays, we are using the fossil fuel, and in general all the fossil fuels release carbon dioxide in the environment. Due to the releasing of the carbon dioxide, that carbon dioxide make the blanket-like structure around the earth, and due to making the blanket-like structure around the earth, the heat of the earth is trapped, and that trapping of the heat around the earth is known as global warming. And due to the global warming, student, the glaciers that are found at the top of the mountains, those glaciers are melting day by day, and due to which the level of water is increasing and we are facing the problem of flood, student. So it is about the global warming, and global warming main cause is air pollution. Next is CNG, student. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. When the natural gas is compressed with the help of the compressor, then that natural gas is known as compressed natural gas. And this compressed natural gas can be considered as cleaner fuel, student, because it releases very less pollutant in the environment after the burning. That's why most of the automobile transports are run with the help of CNG in metro cities, student, because CNG release very less pollutant. That's why in the metro cities in general the public transports run with the help of CNG. Next is ideal fuel, student. Ideal fuel. Now what is ideal fuel? The fuel that does not release pollutant. That particular fuel is known as ideal fuel. And in general we can say that there is no ideal fuel. Why, student? Because all the fuels release the pollutant. Some release the pollutant in huge amount and some release in less amount. So there is no ideal fuel. Next is LPG, student. LPG stands for liquid petroleum gas, and it is used in cooking, student. In the cooking it is used. And this fuel LPG is obtained from the petroleum. In the petroleum refinery, the first petroleum product that is obtained, it is liquid petroleum gas, and it contains one hydrocarbon in it, student, and that hydrocarbon is known as butane. This LPG is easy to handle and easy to transport, and it also has high calorific value from which we can cook our food in short period of time by using LPG. So it is about the LPG, student. Now you will try to write and learn all these keywords, student. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.